Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna do something different, and this recipe will be a fried southern catfish. I have 8 catfish fillets. Eight catfish fillets. The 8 fillets come up to about 2 pounds. The ingredients are as follows: 1 cup cornmeal, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 eggs beaten, 1/2 cup hot sauce, 2 tablespoons Creole seasoning, and 1 tablespoon garlic powder. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients together. Mixing up all the dry ingredients. The cornmeal, and the flour. Okay. Then I'll pour the dry ingredients in this Ziploc bag. I'll get back to you shortly. Okay, I'm back. I'll put all the wet ingredients in this bowl. The egg, yellow mustard, and the 1/2 cup of hot pepper sauce. Mix them up. I'll put a pinch of salt in this mixture. Okay. The next move is to batter the fillets. I'm gonna dip the fillets one at a time. In the wet mixture. Then drop it in the bag. Drop it in the bag. With the dry mixture. Shake it up. It's battered. And I put it to the side here. Another fillet. Dip in the wet. Take them off. Put it in the bag. Shake it up. Another one. Okay, I'll get back to you when I'm done. Putting the batter on the fillets of catfish and when I'm ready to fry them. Okay, I've finished battering the catfish and here they are. How lovely they look. And I have that Dutch oven or Dutch pot on with oil that will be covering the pieces that I put in, and the oil is supposed to be between 320 degrees Fahrenheit and 350 degrees Fahrenheit hot. Okay, I'm gonna start putting in the pieces, which I'll fry 3 minutes on both sides. Here we go. I'm gonna fry 2 pieces at a time. We're looking for a golden brown consistency. turn the first piece over. And I'll turn the second piece over. How lovely they look. I'll get back to you when I've finished frying these pieces of catfish. Stay tuned. Finally, I've fried all those fillets and it's looking wonderful. How wonderful it looks. Southern fried catfish. This is my first attempt at this recipe. How wonderful it looks, and I know it will be tasting very delicious. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Southern fried catfish. How beautiful it looks.